Well friends, after my last random video, I only videoed it because of the bubbles. But anyway, some friends of mine who like washing machines and stuff have requested to see the one of a tumble dryer. So, I'm not going to talk too much because of my cold and I've got a sore throat and stuff, but anyways, when these are finished, I shall be videoing the tumble dryer for you. So, yes, enjoy. Well, as got requested by Mark to do a little video of the tumble dryer because he's obsessed. Just kidding. So yeah, got towels. Oops, not far enough. There you go, tumble dryer. What else could you ask for? What perfectness. It even smells nice, obviously. From buying exhaust.